And it looks so much better than before. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like now. So today I'm finally going to be fixing my fitment. We are going to get my rear spacers installed and I'm going to bring you guys with me. I'll show you what it looks like right now. So here it is from the front. As you guys can see, those rear wheels are practically hidden. I do want them to come out a bit more just so that it's more flush with the fender. And here it is from the back. So we are all done now and it looks so much better than before. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like now. So here she is now after the rear spacers were installed. The fitment on the back just looks so much better now. There isn't any excessive gapping anymore and the tire is pretty flush with the fender. And here it is from the back. I honestly didn't even know if the 25mm spacers were gonna fit. I feel like we actually could have sized up and done the 30mm, but for now, I think I'm pretty happy with how the setup is looking. So I will see you guys in the next video.
I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that like Stockton. Just joshing, I'ma spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put it back in the friend zone.